Alright, see, that's what I was talking about on the mirror. It's got about 5 different flavors of paint on it. You know, that makes you nervous when they back it up and they're already beat up. But check this out. This exhaust leak is so bad that even the last person that worked on it or touched it, or just, I don't know if that's foot strike marks, what you call that, man, but that's a real bad exhaust leak. And for you not to know that, the difference between and this down here being exhaust, he must not have been driving a truck for very long. And I'm gonna educate him on it, but look, that's bad. And whatever kind of scratch marks, whatever you hit, but you know, it could have been road debris, a tire, who knows what happened, but for it to be that dark against what's clean, and that was hit something, because that plastic's not supposed to be sticking out like that. But anyway, main thing is, look, if you got this on the side of your truck, you have an exhaust leak, probably at the flex pipe. Not knocking no other company or what, but like I said, seriously, that right there will make you tired and could get you killed. He needs to take care of that. And it's not just the overflow off of the engine or nothing. That's exhaust. A driver knows. You know, don't argue with me. I promise you that's exhaust. Because if it was just road whatever, it'd be this right here. That kind of dirty. Not that kind of dirty. It'd be the same. It'd be uniform. Look, here's my kickouts. They stay clean even if I don't wash them. They ain't never gonna get that dirty. You know, even just rainwater will wash them off enough to where they might be a little faded or something, but you're not gonna see exhaust. Like I said, even just foot marks making it that clean, that's a telltale sign. They will shut him down at the scale. It's the flex pipe right up under here, guaranteed. So, all right, y'all stay safe out there, but if you got this, you know, you got an exhaust leak, get it fixed. All right, that's it. Y'all stay safe. I'm out. Peace. Oh, one more way to see is you'll find it, and this is an aluminum rim. That's exhaust. That causes that. So, up the back too, I ain't gonna get no more of that. I don't even need to get more of that. I can see that right here. That stuff is so dark. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna tell him about it. How he feels about it, that's up to him, but I'm just telling you, yeah, DOT will shut you down for that. Wow.
I got an exhaust leak that I didn't even know about. I just didn't think anything of it.
Yep. And I taught him. I mean, you got to learn somewhere, but he's used to a stack that goes up top, but still, this is a flex pipe situation. I watched that with some Castrol Super Clean, and for him to show him the difference, and even if they just wash the truck, I said it's going to be black again within a week if they don't actually fix the exhaust leak, so you'll know if they're lying if they don't fix it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Anyway, be careful, driver.
Appreciate it. You
Yeah.
too.